What's new in the 20th January build of Fluid 1.1 Rom based on Android 11 running on the Xiaomi Poco F1? Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you what is new in the 20th January build of Fluid ROM. The version is still 1.1 and it is of course based on Android 11 running on the Xiaomi Poco F1. The security patch, as you can see on your screen right now, is still from January 5th, 2021. The kernel they are using is Silver Core version 8.0. The build date is from January 20th, 2021, and SE Linux is of course set as enforcing. Those of you who want to have a look at the previous video of this ROM, I have linked that video in the description of this video. The first change you will find is if you go into settings, fluid customization, and if you go into accent color, you have two new accent colors. The first one is pixel blue, and this is how pixel blue looks like. And the second one is 1 plus red, and this is how the 1 plus red accent color looks like. Next change you will find is in the customization for quick settings. So here it is, QS or quick settings. And another thing I would like to show you is when you switch between the different options at the bottom, the animation is different now, and the option which is active is highlighted in the accent color. So you have options to configure the number of rows and columns for your quick setting tiles, and here are the different sliders which are available. It can start at 1, the default is 3, and it can go up to 5. Next change you will find is in the lock screen customization, and you have a new toggle for pocket detection, which if enabled is going to block the screen inputs when the device is inside your pocket. Then if you move over to the extras option, you have a toggle to enable signature spoofing, which is going to allow applications to bypass security systems by pretending to be a different application, mainly used for those of you who are running micro G on your devices. Next up, they have also added some new themes. So for starters, we'll go into settings, display, enable the dark theme. Once that is done, we can go back into fluid customization. The option for primary theme will be enabled, and the new options here are pitch black and dark gray. Let us try the pitch black option. It should be applied, and bam, there it is. That is how the pitch black theme looks like, and of course dark mode does help you in saving some battery as well. Going back into display, another new option which they have added is the option to enable blurs, which is going to enable blur in some UI elements. Of course, it does require a UI restart. And while we're talking about UI blurs, as you can see, when you access the notifications, there is the blur and zoom effect of Android 11 present in this ROM. And before you ask me that the media controls are not in the quick settings panel, well, as per the developer of Fluid OS, that is how it is going to be. The media controls in the quick settings are not going to be implemented in this ROM, and I do not know the reason for that. I am just providing you the information. Next up, they have also added the 2-button navigation. So if you go into settings, system, gestures, system navigation, bam, here it is. Those of you who like the 2-button navigation system, you now have the option for that. The ugly pill, in my humble opinion, but yes, feel free to use it in case you like it. Also, they have added vibration and haptic options. So if you go into settings, accessibility, and here we need to look for the ring and vibration. Here it is, vibration and haptic strength. You can now configure your ring vibration. Here are the different options: high, medium, low, and off. Similarly, you have the ability to configure it for notifications and for touch feedback as well. Next up, in terms of YouTube media playback, everything works absolutely fine. Picture-in-picture works, live caption works. However, do note, for picture-in-picture to work, either you need to have YouTube Premium or you need to be in a specific country if you do not have YouTube Premium. Next up, in terms of Safetynet, Safetynet does pass out of the box and the device is certified in the Play Store as well. which means you should be able to use your banking apps. Now if you root your device, you do need to enable Magisk Hide, and once that is done, we can check for Safetynet. And as you can see on your screen right now, once you enable Magisk Hide on a rooted device, Safetynet is going to pass on this ROM. Next up, we can check for DRM support, and as you can see on your screen, Widevine is L1, and we can now open the Amazon Prime Video application. And let me try to play this video. And first, let us try to download it. Best size is 0.88 GB, and I'm pretty sure that HD is not working. And as you can see on your screen right now, there is no HD text beside the timeline, which means Widevine L1 on Prime Video is not working. And of course, you should know that it is not the ROM to blame, it is Poco India to blame for this hot mess. Next up, we can check for portrait light feature. So let us go into the Photos application and try to edit a picture and go into adjust. Bam, here it is, portrait light in the building, working like a boss without any issues. And of course, I am running the vanilla build of FluidOS with Nix Google Apps, which means I do have Pixel Launcher installed. And we can also check for select. There it is, select feature working without any issues. Let us try it one more time. Bam, there it is, select works. Press and hold, go into styles and wallpapers. You do have the Pixel 5 exclusive Mandalorian wallpapers baked in as well. In terms of app opening animations, here are the app opening animations on your screen. As you can see, no jitters, no lags, everything is working absolutely fine. Google Feed, no jitters, no lags, nothing like that. Super smooth. Of course, for fluid ROM, I should say super fluid. Let us check the recents as well. Here it is, super fluid in the recents department as well. Try to take a screenshot. Bam, there it is, share, edit and delete. Those are your three options once you do take a screenshot on this ROM. Then we can also check for app switching. So here it is, you can switch between the different applications without any issues, no jitters, no lags, everything is pretty fluid. And there it is, peeps, that is what was new in the 20th January build of Fluid ROM based on Android 11 running on the Xiaomi Poco F1. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.